baby.
Is that dog gonna attack you?
No, he said the dog's nice.
Don't get it.
Look, you feel a little slab over there?
Yeah.
This is what happened. This thing was open. That was open.
Why was it all open?
Because we
It
were
didn't
having
have a
little
gate.
party.
Straight
Dad
close
had
it?
his car right here. And Mama's car was parked over there. My mom's got somewhere she's on. She's like looking at it over there. And then,
Look, he got out.
what the hell are you thinking? Did I bring him in? He wasn't even here, right?
No, he was on the other side.
You go check on the other side, Mama.
I don't know if you took my position.
So what was here?
So the floor was right here. And then your mom, and then your mom, being the loner that she was right here. Look, come here. It's on right here. But you go. Like this. And let's see.
I was.
Nelly.
And then I always come
Wait,
over
wait.
here.
I want Nelly to do it. Go. Show me how you were standing. I don't believe you.
I thought I was standing over here.
No, you were in the middle right here. I remember. You're right there. No, you're right here.
I was like,
No, because you're right here. You're coming this way. Because I remember there was a bunch of, like, a group of little people.
and little people were across.
There was like someone else over there.
Nelly.
And come here, Zay.
Look at his shot.
Yeah.
Well, you.
7 years ago, Zay. This is where I met your mama.
You're not gonna show us around, like where the places are?
Well,
It
this
was
is where she
dark.
was right here. 7 years ago, I met your mom.
What about
She was
what
looking
wasn't
real
there?
sexy in a little mini skirt. I
Yeah.
was like,
What? Nelly? Mini
I was
skirt?
like, I gotta make this money
Yeah.
for sure.
Daddy, what wasn't there?
This wasn't there yet.
Oh, that's what's throwing me off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this was all just a piece of slab.
Even that was not there?
Huh?
Not behind you?
This was.
That was there. I could have sworn your Explorer was like right here.
It was right there. No, it was not. It was right there.
Well, what was right here then? There was
It was a
something.
piece of slab. That's all it was. There was nothing here. 7 years ago, Zay, this is where I met your mama. And since then, we've been through hell and back,
Dog it out, okay?
thick and thin. She stuck with your daddy.
Nelly, you're like, we've been through a lot together and most of it was your fault.
It was funny. Oh, and because of that, baby, I want to ask you.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
You will marry me.
Again?
This time it's going to be the right way.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you'd be more excited than that.
Well, you
Holy
already
crap.
asked me.
But this is the real way right here.
Oh. Let's go before we get trespassing stuff.
No, shut up. This is your turn.
Oh, that's so pretty.
This is she won.
Aww.
Down that little picture that you left on the mirror.
Aww.
Oh, Nelly, are you okay?
It's so sweet. That's pretty.
Baby, record.
I thought it's always.
Don't press anything, okay? Just hold it.
No wonder I couldn't find it.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
Don't press anything.
Oh my gosh.
Aww.
Cool.
You like it?
Isn't that the ring you wanted?
Yeah.
The exact one.
I should have done my nails. Where's oh, it's got my dirty nails.
Aww. They grew up too fast.
Isaiah.
They grew too fast.
Are you okay? Don't cry.
Because you ran a little closer.
Look.
Shiny.
Wow, Nelly.
That's beautiful.
All that bling bling. Now you can feel like the Mexican lady. All that jewelry.
Aw, was this my surprise?
This was your surprise.
This is so pretty.
And me and Annette planned it. So we were just like, how are we going to plan this? You don't ever text me. And that's what she was telling me. She was like, why'd she text you? She didn't even text me. What's going on? What the hell?
Do you know these people?
No, but I came over here a couple of weeks back and asked him why he used it. And the dad said yes. And So he's not here today, but he told me, "Oh, I'm not doing it." That's cool.
Oh, this is so sweet, baby. I'm gonna cry.
They grow too fast.
I figured I'd propose on the spot and mix you there.
It's so pretty.
Okay, let's start this and I have
What
to
is
use
it?
Two carrots, a carrot center diamond, carrot all around.
Is it from the maquinitas? I'm just
You
kidding.
know what? Looking at it, because it's not shining the way I thought it was, and I'm going to be pissed off because it's not really shining the way it should be for as much as I spent, so we're going to take it back and we're going to get you what you want.
I like it.
Yeah, now let Mom have it. It's so beautiful.
Gosh. I'm so happy, baby. I love it. Look, it matches my earrings.
Well, let's see how
She never was good with expressing herself.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh, baby,